Real World Science. Today, we're going to talk about something that really matters. It's called matter. What is matter? Well, that's what this program is all about. Properties of matter. You've heard the saying, it doesn't matter, or what's the matter? But did you know that in science, the word matter has a completely different meaning? Matter is the stuff that makes up everything in the universe. The sun, all the planets, and the earth are matter. Everything on earth is matter too. Rocks, water, plants, animals, and people. Everything that exists in the universe is matter. What exactly is matter? It's not an easy question to answer, but we can begin to understand matter a little bit more by looking at some of matter's characteristics, qualities, and properties. Some matter is hard. Some matter is soft. Some matter is round, and some is square. Some matter can burn easily. Some matter can pour easily. Some matter can fit inside a bag. And some matter is bigger than the earth. Some matter is white. Some matter is many colors. And some matter has no color at all. Some matter is hot. And some matter is cold. You see, hardness, shape, temperature, color, and size are all examples of properties of matter. Matter may have many different properties, but all matter is formed in the same way, from tiny particles called molecules. To better understand how molecules make up all matter, take a look at this painting. From a few feet away, you see a picture of people in a park. However, if you look real close, you'll see that the picture is really made up of small dots of paint. All matter is formed in pretty much the same way. All matter is made up of particles called molecules. A molecule is the smallest part of matter that still has the properties of matter.